Good, Twisted Gang. It's your boy Shredder, a.k.a. Zach Attack, Smack on the... You can... What did I tell you last time? You didn't learn a damn thing, did you? Don't backsass me. My God, it's alive and pissed.
Hello.
Like the sun?
Probably brighter.
Definitely brighter. You glisten quite brightly.
Aww.
So here we're back again. As you can see, I'm pretty excited. I've been waiting a long time to hear this last third song off the EP, The Sound of the Bell, by the upcoming trending legendary Orbit Culture. So probably listen to While We Serve 100 billion, trillion, 80, 100,000 million times. By now, hopefully that makes sense to you. So yeah, without further ado, well, it's gotta definitely get a different vibe going because I just had a tragic event happen to me. Why'd you have to do it? You just had to let me down again. You let them Buccaneers just take over your ship. Don't worry, you're still part of the family. I'm used to it by now. Without further ado, let's get into this. Definitely pretty chill so far, different than the last two songs. Got like a melancholy vibe of an intro to it. It's chill, nothing too crazy happening just yet.
I think so too.
It's pretty chill. I like it so far. Why do I feel like something's about to get thrown out of the camera at our faces?
Probably will.
You never know what to expect. I'm not going to be that boy who cried wolf just yet and say it's going to be a just nice, slow, somber, melancholy song, because it's probably not going to be. I'm probably about to get slapped off my stool right now. I love that guitar riff. It's cool. Then they add like the melancholy. I can hear it's a kind of like a chromatic chord progression going on there, and it kind of turns it down a little bit so it's not so in your face. Then it gives you a different vibe, like a slower vibe. Dig it. Living a lie, was that?
Only if I can make my voice sound like that.
I mean, just don't drink water for like a week and your voice will probably sound like that. No, hell, the way we've been coughing in the house, we're not too far from it, honestly. What in the buttery, flaky crust is that noise he's making on that guitar right now? It's like the same guitar riff as the last verse, and he's, ew! What the hell is that? Like an alien just screaming at the microphone. What? If I'm not mistaken, it sounded like you said, if this is the last time that I will hold your hand, I will always remember when I last seen you. Something, something, something. I heard that part. He said, I'm living a lie, I'm tormented. I heard that much. It's hard to hear through all the phlegm coming out of his mouth. Got a really good voice. Don't you think so?
Yes.
It's like very powerful voice. It's very unique. It's kind of like a James Hetfield in his prime, just a little bit more powerful, more singy. Kind of like Chester Bennington when Chester with Linkin Park would try to scream. At kind of what this guy's clean vocals sound like. I know I already said that before, but I can't harp on that enough. This guy's got the throat and the vocals. Why did I have to say throat? Say vocals, God damn it! You're making it weird. Is it coming? Is something dangerous coming? I thought I was about to blow up. The calm before the storm, ladies and gentlemen. We're in the eye of the tornado right now. Take one step to the left or one step to the right, you're going to get swung around. That's what's about to happen, isn't it? Got like a whole orchestra in the background there. Got the violin. Gotta tell the audience.
You want me to be the answer?
We'll turn the camera off for that. You can get me banned. Ah! I'm back. Hold on, bro. I've been unmasked. Had some wardrobe malfunction there. Go on. We knew it was going to happen. We knew they were going to let us loose with the breakdown. It was pretty intense. Now my head hurts. And I got a strong neck now. I can't believe I kept my head on my shoulders. I didn't hurt you, did I? You okay? I actually almost knocked my tower speaker over. Thank God I didn't do it. The mask is too big for her head. I know some things that I'm not even going to go there. So I definitely enjoyed the song. I think my favorite part is the chorus because his voice is just really iconic there. Very iconic voice. Very groovy. Definitely enjoyed the drummer like always. God, I can't remember. Chris Wanderstedt? Oh my gosh. Drummer's Frederick Leonardson. Correct? Correct me if I'm wrong. Man, what a banger. Definitely going to enjoy learning that one and teaching you guys how to play that one. I'm going to have a hard time figuring out what the hell that alien screaming guitar noise was. Ew. Oh, like who? What? Is that on the fretboard? Or are you kind of like transmit solar frequencies through the guitar or what's going on? Anyways, like always, like, comment, subscribe. Click the notification bell. If you don't click that bell, you'll get notified when I drop new content. If you do click it, you get a notification. You click it, it'll bring you straight to the video. Bear with me on the microphone still. I told you guys Tuesday I'll be able to work that one, hopefully. The converter I got is too fat. Doesn't fit in there without hitting the microphone compass beam that I got. So, till next time. Peace.